Okay, so we've got the Nilfisk Patio Cleaner for Nilfisk Power Washer. So first things first, for setup, there's the little dirt hammers in here, so they just slide out. So once you've got your little dirt hammer nozzles out, you just flip it over. These just come off by, try to do this with one hand. You just turn them 90 degrees and they just pop out. Let's pop the new ones in. So they should just push in and you turn them 90 degrees to lock them. Normal ones back in there, safe keeping. And that's that. Once you've got your extending stem on, just a case of attaching your gun as usual, tightening the retaining. That's it set up. Attach your hose and good to go. Hose is hooked up, power's on, and we're going to try it on this bit here and see how it goes, how it brings it up. You can already see the difference compared to the two bits. That seems to be working pretty well. For that. So you can see the difference. That bit's been done and that bit hasn't. So I'll see what it looks like when it's dry, but overall I'm pretty impressed with how well that's come up compared to a bit that's not been done.